Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about the definition of domain and range of a function. Let f be a function from a to b. Then this set A is called the domain of the function and the set B is called the codomain of the function. Now, for the range of the function, the range of the function R is defined to be the set of all entries, second entries, y belonging to B. Y is the second entry in F. Y is a member of B. So y belongs to B such that xy is a member of F. This is the range. Clearly, range is a part of or subset of the codomain B. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Here I have constructed an example. This is your set A, this is your set B. The set A contains A, B and C. The set B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And f is a function from A to B. Under this function, A is associated with 1, B is associated with 2 and C is also associated with 2. Now, range is equal to the set of all second entries. That means the set of images under the function. Now here f can be written as in roster form A1, this is first ordered pair, B2 second ordered pair and C2 third ordered pair. Therefore range is equal to the first entry 1, the second entry 2, here also 2. Therefore range is 1, 2, this set. Clearly this set is a subset of the set B. Now let us see how many types of function are there. Types of function. There are more or less 4 types of functions. If the range of the function is a proper subset of B, the codomain, then the function is said to be into function. In into function, range is a subset of codomain. Whereas in onto function, range is equal to codomain. In one function, every element of A is associated with uniquely determined element of B, and there is no two or more elements of A which have one image under this function in the set B. Many one function. A function is said to be many one if we have a case in which at least two or more elements of A have the same image under the function f. If the function is not many one, the function must be one. So they are mutually exclusive. Now, basically, on the basis of range, we have two categories of function. Into function, in which range is a subset of codomain, and onto function, in which range equals codomain. One function, that means a function which is not many one. And many one function is a function in which there is a case in which two or more elements of A have the same image in B. On the basis of this, we can say that a function, there are four categories of function. This function, the first category, 1 into function. The second category is 1 onto function. The third category is many one into function. And the fourth category is many one onto functions. So any function falls into any one of the four categories. ओके, थैंक यू। दूसरे वीडियो के लिए